mixture mainly containing the anions and cations and interfering and reactants. For identifying the cations or anions, for every ion there is two different categories of types of tests are there. One is the identification test and another one is the confirmation test. Under the confirmation test category, we are doing the sodium carbonate extract experiment. We are mixing the two salts and basing on the density principle, if you use the centrifuge machine, the two substances will be separated, and basing on that separation, you have to add some solution and confirm that the particular ion which is present in the solution. For the centrifuging purpose, we are using this centrifuge machine. Basing on the density principle, these two salts can be separated. For this purpose, we have take this centrifuge machine, and centrifuge machine is consisting this type of the arrangement. And mainly fundamental principle is we have to put the two tubes compulsory. If you use the one centrifuge tube, the instrument will get damaged. For this purpose, we have to put opposite sides only, not on the side by side. For operating this particular instrument, we have to put these centrifuge tubes in opposite side. Close that one, close this one, and at first we have to set the time, and also RPM. RPM indicates the revolutions per minute which we have to set. First we have to set the time, because I have set 1 minute for this particular solution, and automatically RPM will set. Revolutions per minute, and revolutions per minute is consisting of how many rotations are given by this particular instrument in 1 minute, and basing on this rotation, the density will differentiate between these two salts, and they will get separated basing on the density principle. Revolutions per minute is 1140, 1170. Basing on that, setting the time, the revolutions are taking place. This is the regulator. If you want the more revolutions, we have to operate this one, and we have to regulate this. If you regulate in a higher manner, number of revolutions will increase. 1 minute time is over, and the rotation will be in anti-clockwise direction. And by completing this rotation, revolutions per minute is indicating the 0. This indicates the complete revolution, and by completing this process, you have to take the centrifuge tubes. Before centrifugation, there is no there is mixing of the solvent is you have seen that particular. After centrifugation, this is the precipitate and this is the filtrate, and this is the precipitate and this is the filtrate. This precipitate is indicating presentation of ion in this particular salt. By taking this precipitate, if you use the particular solution which is mentioned in the procedure, definitely we will get a positive test related to this particular ion. If this ion is not present, we will get the negative test.